Hello, welcome back. Yeah, you can see my arms are kind of dirty right now. I jumped in the car this morning, got about a quarter of a mile down the road on my way to work today, and just died. It's been a heck of a day. When it died, looked down and my battery is showing almost dead. So I'm like, okay, let's go get this checked out. Pull the battery, get down to the auto parts store. They tell me the battery's good. They charge it for me. I come back to the car, put it in. As soon as I put it in, it's dead. So that tells me it's the alternator. So I just walked the mile back down to the auto parts store. This is all from pulling the battery and just messing with getting the belt for the alternator off. I haven't even gotten the old alternator off yet. Walked down to the auto parts store because I had to buy some tools. Picked up tools, picked up a new alternator, and I'm back to the car now. And I'm getting ready to pull the alternator, and I thought, hey, I'll have you guys follow along as I pull the alternator. So let's do this. All right, so you can see that the new alternator is sitting where the battery is. Storage facility right here has a battery charger, so they were kind enough to offer to charge my battery for me while I was doing this. So let's get the alternator removed. Okay, alternator's in. Got the battery. It's charged up. Gonna put it in real quick and let's see if this thing starts up. All right, that mess is done. Now time for the moment of truth. Yes, it started. Oh, all right, it started. I'm super excited. I can go return the old pad alternator, get my core charge back, go take a shower and get a little rest for today, because I am beat right now. But that said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my day of this was just not a fun day for me, but I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. I hope you learned something. Changing an alternator is 1 nut, 3 bolts, and moving the timing belt. That's it. It's super easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can. So yeah, I need something cold to drink and a shower. You guys have a fantastic day. If you appreciated what I did, please give me a thumbs up and share the video. Hopefully somebody else can be inspired to do some of their own work from this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.